Ronald Reagan. From Hollywood to the White House. Ronald Wilson Reagan, the 40th President of the United States, 1981 to 1989, was a charismatic leader who transformed American politics. Born on February 6, 1911, in Tampico, Illinois, Reagan first gained fame as a Hollywood actor before becoming a governor and then president. His presidency was marked by economic reforms, strong anti-communist policies, and a revived sense of American patriotism. Early life and Hollywood career. Reagan grew up in a modest family, working various jobs before attending Eureka College, where he studied economics and sociology. After graduation, he became a radio sports announcer, and in the 1930s, Hollywood came calling. He starred in over 50 films, including Newt Rockin', All-American, and King's Row. During World War II, Reagan served in the U.S. Army Air Forces, making training films for the military. In the 1950s, he became the host of General Electric Theater and gained national recognition. Political career and rise to the presidency. Initially a Democrat, Reagan shifted towards conservatism, supporting small government and free market policies. In 1966, he was elected governor of California, where he gained a reputation for cutting taxes and taking a tough stance on student protests. By 1980, Reagan's message of lower taxes, strong national defense, and anti-communism resonated with voters. He defeated Jimmy Carter in a landslide, becoming the oldest president at the time, at 69 years old. Presidency and key achievements. Reagan's presidency is often associated with the Reagan Revolution, a period of conservative policies and economic recovery. Reaganomics. His economic plan focused on tax cuts, deregulation, and reducing government spending, leading to a strong economic boom. Cold War and the Soviet Union. Reagan took a firm stance against communism, famously calling the Soviet Union the evil empire. He increased military spending and introduced the Strategic Defense Initiative, SDI, a missile defense system. His diplomacy with Mikhail Gorbachev helped end the Cold War, symbolized by his famous 1987 speech. "Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall," referring to the Berlin Wall. Social and domestic policies. His administration faced criticism for cuts to social programs, but was praised for revitalizing American patriotism. His handling of the Iran-Contra affair, a secret arms deal with Iran, remains controversial. Later life and legacy. After leaving office in 1989, Reagan retired to California, where he remained a respected figure in politics. In 1994, he publicly announced his battle with Alzheimer's disease, raising awareness for the condition. He passed away on June 5, 2004, at the age of 93. Ronald Reagan's legacy is one of economic growth, strong leadership, and the end of the Cold War. He remains one of the most influential and beloved U.S. presidents, often credited with restoring American confidence. Famous quote, "We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone." Ronald Reagan.